One of the fun things that I've been able to do since we have only been able to stream the Sunday services is to play duets with myself. Tomorrow, for the special music, I'll be doing that again with an organ and piano duet of Jesus Loves Me. Jesus Loves Me is a very basic and easy melody of the church. Most of us learn it at a very young age. Somewhere in the basement is a cassette of me singing it at age 4 with my mom playing the organ. Kids still love the song because it's easy to sing, and the message couldn't be clearer and easy to understand. Also, it's endured for so long because the theology is sound. As many of you know, the lyrics go, Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong, they are weak and he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me, the Bible tells me so. Now, as a child, these words are really easy to take in. And repeating the line, yes, Jesus loves me, over and over kind of drives the point home. It's black and white for children. However, for us adults, it's not always so. As a matter of fact, when things aren't going so well and it seems like everything is kind of, crashing down around us, many times we don't think of the lessons that Jesus gave us to get through those times. A lot of times when I go through a crisis, in my 2020 hindsight, I think, Dave, why didn't you pray? Did you not even consider God during that time? I'm always left wondering, why didn't I do exactly that? There's a great line from a musical I love called Children of Eden, and I've written this in devotionals before. I've probably said it in a sermon. The line is sung by God. He sings, "There is no journey gone so far we cannot stop and change directions." A tear springs from one of my eyes every time I hear it sung, because it brings me so much hope. I just wish that everyone knew this, that no matter how far down they might be in a bad marriage, a drug addiction, dead-end job, or anything else that you might feel hopeless in or needs turning around, the gift that we're all given is the love of Jesus Christ. And there's nothing you can do to mess that up. So if you're in a bad place, or the next time you get in one, maybe you should start singing.